think it was Darien Station. I'm not sure I saw the name correctly, but it could be Darien. And here's the parking lot for that station. And here's another Metro North train. Got all those red color sides. Another parking lot, which means there may be another train station pretty soon. I'd have to think so. That's a lot of parking spaces not to have a train station nearby. And you can see the I-95. Yep, here's a train station. And this one is Noroton Heights. Yep, right in this area, the main train tracks and the I-95 highway are parallel to each other, right next to each other. Nope, no trash and recyclables from here. Imagine being those little houses, and then you're halfway between the train track on one side and the highway on the other side. It must be pretty noisy, but somebody's got to live there. Not only that, it's probably a somewhat desirable place to live because you can get on a train and commute to wherever you can get to on the train. Or you can go on the highway and commute from there. It's a good place to live if you want to commute. But it's noisy. Up here's Nisilla. And this is an autofocus camera. It has to adjust to the fact that the cell is no longer passing it, and realize that we're looking at some trees back in the distance. Sorry for the low quality of the image. I don't know how to control that. Oh, there we go, fixed. Thank you for your patience. We are passing over a road. This is a bridge over that little road. No cars on that road. This looks like a power station, although I'm not sure exactly what it is because I don't really know how these things are built or what they're for. But it does look like a electric power transfer station. Something like that. Maybe someday I'll learn how these things actually work. And we end our video the same way we began it, with a vehicle on the side of the tracks for maintenance. Thank you, everyone.